Hello everyone. We are going to talk about very important cellular organelle of the eukaryotic cells which are known as the mitochondria. Mitochondria, these are mostly absent in prokaryotes but they are present in eukaryotic cells. But there is also an exception in case of the eukaryotic cells, that is mature and the old RBCs of the eukaryotes, they don't have the presence of mitochondria. This is an exception in case of eukaryotic cells. Mostly all of the cells contain mitochondria. These are the second largest cellular structures that present in the eukaryotic cells. Number of mitochondria that are typical cell will contain depends on the physiological activity of the cell. Why? Mitochondria, these are the area where ATP synthesized, and these are sites for aerobic respiration. So the cell which are more active or highly active and needs high amount of energy. So there is the rate of aerobic respiration must be high. Hence the number of mitochondria present in these type of cells must also be high. Also, the number of mitochondria that is present inside a particular cell is specifically dependent on the physiological activity of the cell. These are also known as the powerhouse of the cells. Why? Because these are the area where the ATP or the energy molecules are synthesized. Mitochondria, these are double membrane bound structures. There are two membranes. The brownish portion we are seeing is the outer membrane, and there is inner membrane which is quite a dark pinkish in color. Outer and inner membrane divides whole mitochondria structure into two aqueous compartments. The inner compartment is called matrix. You can see over here the blue shaded portion. It contains a number of infoldings links. These infoldings are termed as the cristae. These areas where the aerobic respiration takes place. What is the reason for having so many number of cristae? This actually had been increasing the surface area of the mitochondria, so more the amount of surface area present for the aerobic respiration to occur. Matrix may possess single circular DNA molecules. It can have RNA molecules also, ribosomes, and some of the components for the protein synthesis. In this video, we have talked about a very important cellular organelle of the eukaryotic cells, which is the mitochondria, and we know this is known as the powerhouse of the cell because these are the areas where the energy or ATP molecules is synthesized in case of the eukaryotic cells.